Hey guys, so here we have the Ego battery powered trimmer, string trimmer, or as some of you may call it, the weed eater. Anyway, this is a great machine, and if you haven't restringed it yet, the first time I restringed it, it made me laugh because it was so easy. So what you're gonna do, just go ahead and prop your string trimmer head against the house or whatever have you. You're not gonna disassemble the head, you're just gonna feed the string through. Ego makes it easy with their line because you'll see about halfway through, the line changes color from red to green. After you get to that point, keep them out both sides. All you do is press and hold this button. It's gonna pull it in by itself. Once you get to the length you want, you're off to the races and ready to go back to work again. Do you hope that video was beneficial to you? Why we don't sell string trimmers, we do sell heavy equipment. You want to see our full update inventory of construction and farm machinery on the website, i35equipment.com. Always just hold your operator's manual, use common sense and safety, and have a great summer.